A few moments later.
Hi guys! We're back and we are excited to
share with
you our vlog for today, since it's already Burr months and next week will be December, and today we will be building our Christmas tree! Yes! And sobrang ano ba to?
Excited kami. And
Because this will be our first Christmas tree na aayusin as a family. Because
syempre kasama si Aurora. Hi!
Yes. When just a brief background, nung magkasama kami nung nasa Manila kami, wala kaming Christmas tree. Ref lang meron kami sa bahay noon sa Manila. So this is very historical
for our
family since nandito na si Aurora.
Yes.
And are you excited?
Are you excited?
Yes.
You say yes.
Yes, she's excited. So we will be building our Christmas tree. Join us.
Yes, join us.
Sa
Aming masaya at makulay na Christmas tree building.
It's a simple Christmas tree. It's not the floor to top Christmas tree, but this is something special to us. So join us. there you have it. Our Christmas tree is up.
Yes.
And yeah, this is quite sentimental for me especially. Kasi growing up, syempre lumaki ako sa probinsya and we can't afford to buy a Christmas tree. That's very, very emotional. Pero anyway, we do have Christmas tree pero naalala ko, it reminds me of my childhood. Pag pa-December na, we go to the sa Burol or sa mga daan-daan may mga ano doon may mga parang halaman na pag tinanggal mo yung mga dahon magiging hugis Christmas tree siya kapag nag-dried up. So that's what we do. Nagdi-DIY Christmas tree kami. Tapos yung mga Christmas balls namin hindi Christmas balls, mga candy na binalot ng mga nakaka-relate ka ba, Lab? Mga
Hindi masyado.
Pero anyway, officially, this is our first family Christmas tree.
Yes.
And, ano ba? We are so happy about it. And Aurora is happy.
For the Christmas tree. And for sure, itong Paskong to, it will be a very memorable for us. And for all of you as well. Kahit na maraming mga naganap ngayong taon, we know and we hope that yung pag-asa na masaya ang Pasko.
We want to give a message of hope to everyone despite and in spite of the struggles that we had for this year. Sabi nga nila parang 2020 doesn't count, but guys, let's make 2020, the rest of 2020 count. So yun, we too have our own share of our struggles, our problems along the way.
Yes.
This year. Sobrang dagok kung dagok, but I know that we have a living hope.
And that is Jesus.
And that is Jesus Christ. Yes?
And that alone can inspire us to continue celebrating Christmas kahit na mahirap kung iisipin. Pero let's always choose joy kasi kay Lord naman nagagaling ang joy. Kaya natin masaselebrate yung Christmas kahit naka-quarantine man yan or may pandemic man yan. Let's all choose to be grateful kasi we will all finish 2020
strong! Aurora, strong!
Strong, Aurora!
Yes! And at the end of it all, Jesus Christ is the reason for this season.
Yes.
We all know that.
Yes. Even if may Christmas tree kayo or wala kayong Christmas tree, ang importante, nasa puso nyo si Jesus Christ 24/7. Pasko man yan or hindi.
Correct.
Correct.
And to conclude,
conclude,
I just want to make a special shout out to my niece friends.
Yes.
They're requesting for a shout out all the way from Ilocos to Angel Valdivia and Claudine Kines.
Yes.
Hi guys, advance
Hi, guys.
Merry Christmas and thank you for watching our videos.
And also, we want to make a special shout out sa mga friends namin sa Philippines. Namely, si Clark and Burley,
Si Derek and Kat,
si Ardy and Jude,
Dennis and Julian,
si Nero and Krisha,
and hi Carlo and
And
Chai,
Chai.
and to Katie,
and si Marvin and si
Bote. Sino pa ba? Ray and Ira. Hi guys.
and si AJ and si Casey.
Si Topher and Mia. Hello, hello.
Guys! Kumusta ang honeymoon stage? And syempre si Bench and si Resi all the way from
Switzerland. And Zeke and Doc Dayan.
And lastly,
Cool lang kayo dyan.
ay
Kay Mac and Sham.
si Sham. Hi!
So sila yung mga inaanak namin. So we love you guys.
We love you guys!
And from our family to yours, the Pizas channel, the Pizza family, we want to greet you a Merry Christmas. Flying kiss ano? Yes!
Bye!
Bye!